Hello, my name is Evan. I'm a bartender here at Reed. We are a brand new neighbourhood cocktail bar located in the very heart of Everleigh. We have a pretty significant focus on zero waste and minimising our footprint behind the bar. The drink I'm presenting today is called the Autumn Americano. We are using LYRE'S Aperitif Rosso, Italian orange, coffee original, and a couple of nice bright fresh ingredients. And I will start off with some Aperitif Rosso, followed by some Italian orange, working with those deeper kind of red fruit notes. Also the coffee original, a little bit more, I guess, textural, richer. Touch of fresh lemon juice, just to add a nice kind of acid line through the middle of the drink. Soda that I'm adding to the Americano today is made from beetroot and cherry tomato that is what's considered ugly fruit or blemished fruit. This is the stuff that supermarkets can't necessarily put on the shelves because they don't want to, it's not aesthetic, but it's packed full of flavour, it's beautiful, that we're just going to top the cocktail up with and serve in a chilled highball glass. The garnish that we're going to use today is the same beetroot. It's been dehydrated and dusted with a little bit of sumac, again touching in on that kind of autumn flavour profile that is so kind of beautiful and delicious.